Welcome to HH Beauty Garden. If you love peaceful moments and want to grow beautiful roses with your own hands, don't forget to follow this channel so you won't miss any interesting videos. Today, we will discover a special secret, a simple way to make rose cuttings grow roots, sprout, and bloom with just a slice of lemon. Sounds surprising, right? Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare a healthy rose cutting, about 15 centimeters long. Choose a semi-hardwood stem, not too young, not too old. Gently remove all the leaves. Step 2. Take 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. Peel and chop them, then place them into a small bowl. Garlic has natural antibacterial power. It protects the young cutting from fungus and harmful bacteria, especially root rot. Add about 50 milliliters of clean water. Let the garlic soak. Then dip cotton into this garlic water and gently wipe the rose stem to disinfect it. Leave the cutting in the garlic water for a short time. Step 3. Prepare 1 fresh lemon. Cut it in half, squeeze the juice into a bowl. Lemon not only disinfects, it also gives energy to the cutting that is about to grow. Keep the lemon peel, cut it into small pieces, and add it into the lemon juice. Step 4. Now take 1 potato. Peel off the skin. Cut the peel into small pieces and put them into the lemon mixture. Potato peel is full of starch and natural enzymes. It helps stimulate sprouting and root growth. Add 2 or 3 tablespoons of white rice into the same bowl. Step 5. Pour about 50 milliliters of water into the mixture. Stir well. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Rice provides natural nutrients for the young roots during the first stage. While waiting, prepare a paper cup. Fill it with soft tissue paper, gently pressed. Simple things around us, like rice, lemon peel, and paper, can create a warm home for new life to grow. Step 6. After 5 to 10 minutes, strain the mixture. Keep only the liquid. Pour this liquid into the paper cups to moisten the tissue inside. Place half of the rose cutting into the moist paper. Step 7. Press the bottom of the cup slightly so the top stays open. This gives space for new sprouts. Cover the whole cup with a plastic bag. This keeps the moisture inside, creating the perfect environment for growth. Use tape to seal the bottom of the bag. Finally, place the cups in a cool, shaded place, away from direct sunlight.
Ngủ. Mẹ đang làm việc mà.
Step 8. Now we wait, and here it is. Can you see? New sprouts have appeared, healthy and strong. Let's gently take out the cutting to check the roots. From a dry stem, small white roots have grown, reaching out like fine threads, searching for life. You can use this method with many types of roses: climbing roses, antique roses, or imported varieties. From Sapa ancient roses, French climbers, to the elegant David Austin roses. All can grow from this simple method. And if you wonder how to plant this rooted cutting into a pot, don't miss the next video. For now, let's place some treated coconut fiber into a small pot. Carefully put the rooted rose inside. Water gently. See you again in the next video, where we sow small things and harvest great beauty.
everyone.